Hello everybody, so today we are going to be learning about three shapes. We're going to learn about triangles, squares, and circles. So before we get started, you are going to need your whiteboard and your whiteboard marker. If you don't have that, go ahead and take out a sheet of paper and something to write with, okay? Go ahead and give me a thumbs up when you're ready. Okay, it looks like a lot of friends are coming back. It looks like everybody is ready to learn. Let's go ahead and get started for the day. So before we learn about our shapes, we are going to watch a short video. And while we're watching this video, I want you to pay attention to these two questions. I want you to think about what shapes do I see and where can I find the shapes? Okay, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to share my video. We're also going to be drawing with our fingers. So make sure you have your fingers ready. I'll let you know when you need them. Get ready. We're going to use your fingers. Let's draw some squares. Okay, triangles. Okay, let's draw some circles. Okay, let's draw some squares again. Triangles. Great job, everybody. Okay, we're going to draw some circles now. Great job, everyone. So what were some shapes that you saw in the video? Who can raise their hand and tell me? Right, I hear some friends saying some triangles, squares, and circles. And we saw that we saw these shapes in places like, who can tell me? Right, in our food, like the chips, oranges. We can see them in our closets and the hangers, at the park outside. Shapes are everywhere, right? So before we look into those three shapes, I want to show you two very important words that we need to learn today. The first one is called a vertex, and this is where two or more lines meet. Can you say vertex with me? Vertex. It's where two or more lines meet. And we're also going to look at the word side, which is a line in a shape. Can you say side? Perfect. So if we look at our square, we can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And if we look at these two lines, we can see they meet at this corner, which would be our vertex. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices, meaning that there is more than one vertex in our shape. Okay? So we're going to look at our triangle, and here I have a sentence for you. It says a triangle has blank sides and blank vertices. If we look at our triangle and count how many lines we have, we would have 1, 2, and 3. We would have 3 sides. If we have 3 sides, let's go ahead and see how many vertices we have. Remember, vertexes where two lines meet. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Great job. So here I have my sentence. It says, a triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Can you say that with me? A triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Awesome job. Let's go ahead and see if you can draw some triangles together. Are you ready? So you're going to need your markers and your whiteboards or your paper. We're going to go one line down, back to the top, one line down again, and over. Let's try again. Are you ready? One line down, back to the top, one line over. Great job, everyone. One line down, back to the top, one line down again, and over. Look at all those great triangles. Good job, everyone. Is everyone ready to move on to our second shape? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Awesome. Let's go ahead and look at our square. Good job. So we're going to see how many sides does a square have. A side is a line in a shape, remember. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 sides in a square. And here's a very important word, equal. Can you say equal with me? Equal. Equal means the same. So this means that our square has 4 equal sides, meaning that their sides are the same length. So if our square has 4 equal sides, how many vertices does it have? Let's see. I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good job. So we have 4 vertices. So if I read this out loud, it would say a square has 4 equal sides and 4 vertices. Can you say that with me? A square has 4 equal sides and 4 vertices. Let's try drawing our square together. Are you ready? So we're going to go 1 line down, back to the top, 1 line over, and back down, and connect the lines at the bottom. Great job. Do you think we can try another one? Let's try. 1 line down, back to the top, 1 line over, back down, connect the 2. Great job. Do you think you could try it on your own? Let's see if you can try it on your own. Awesome job. I see a lot of you are going 1 line down, over, back down again, and connecting the lines. Good job, everyone. Is everybody ready to move on to our last shape? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Good job. Okay, so here we have our circle. And if we look at our circle, we're trying to see how many sides does our circle have. Remember, a side is a line in a shape. Do you see any lines in our circle? I see a lot of you nodding your heads no. Right. So if our circle does not have any straight lines, it is going to have 0 sides because our circle is round. And if we look at our shape, do you see any vertices where 2 lines meet? Right, no. So it has 0 sides and 0 vertices. You guys are right. Awesome. So let's go ahead and see if we can draw some circles together. Are you ready? Using your markers or your pencils, let's go ahead and practice. You're going to start from the top and draw a ring all the way around. Let's try again. You're going to start from the top and draw a ring all the way around. Okay, try again. Are you ready? You're going to start from the top, draw your ring all the way around. You guys are doing such a great job at drawing those shapes. Does anyone have any questions? Okay, give me a thumbs up if you're ready to move on. Give me a thumbs down if you need more time. Okay, it looks like everybody is ready. Okay, so we're gonna play a little game, okay? So what I want you to do is, I want you to find a shape for me. Do you think you're ready for this challenge? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Give me a thumbs down if you're not. Okay, looks like all my friends are ready to find some shapes in their houses. Remember, the rule is you're only gonna choose one shape, okay? So can you find me something that is shaped like a triangle, a square, or a circle? Remember, only choose one. Go ahead and find the shape and bring it back. And once everybody's back, we'll share what we found, okay? Go ahead. Okay, it looks like friends are coming back. Okay, waiting for a few more. All right, looks like everybody is back. Okay, so make sure you have your object in your hand, okay? When I call your shape, you're gonna show me what you found. If you found something shaped like a triangle, go ahead and hold up your object. Great job. Okay, put your objects down now. If you found something shaped like a square, go ahead and hold up your item. Awesome, I see a lot of squares. Okay, put your objects down. Let's see, who found something shaped like a circle? Go ahead and show us. Great job. You guys did such a great job. Remember, if whatever you found, you're going to want to keep it safe with you because you are going to go on Flipgrid later today and you are going to record a video describing what you found on our scavenger hunt today, okay? So while you're recording, don't forget to say your name, show your object, and tell us about the shape you found, okay? If you are stuck, don't worry. I have a sentence starter here for you that will help you. For example, this is something that I would say. Hi, my name is Miss Victoria. I found a coaster that I use for my cups at home. It is shaped like a square. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. This is my shape. So that's all you're going to say. And before we finish the day, I wanted to ask you, how do you feel about today? Do you feel like you know a lot about triangles, squares, and circles? If you do, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you feel like you kind of understand it, give me a side thumb. And if you feel like you need a little bit more help, go ahead and give me a thumbs down. Okay, I see a lot of thumbs ups. I see some sideways thumbs. Perfect. You guys did such a great job today. And I'm very excited because tomorrow we will all be learning about a new shape. So we learned about triangles, squares, and circles today. Tomorrow we are going to learn about a shape that has 4 sides, and it's called a rectangle. So tomorrow is going to be very exciting, okay? So if we are done, go ahead and start cleaning up your math materials, and we are going to get ready for our next activity for the day, okay? Great job, everybody.